Panguva ine ma-attempts ari kuonekwa kunzi ari kuda kuitwa kuscraper the constitution. Panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi they are threatening the sacrifice which were made by our forefathers, ma-war veterans, nema-heroes, nema-heroines for our own freedom. And panguva ine ma-citizens, they are being urged kuti they must be careful ne these constitutional amendments. Zarapena mashuka mudanyuko panguva ine nema retired generals vari kusubscribe like on the bell icon. Tino pa handle ya retired general Mr. Sukauki anokudanyira achiti, fellow Zimbabweans, our country appears to be moving toward the consolidation of personal power under the guise of tradition and ritual. The growing influence of spiritual advisors over state affairs, the adoption of royal titles, the plans for an extravagant residence at Mount Hampend signal a worrying drift from democratic norms. Attempts to extend the presidential term and reshape our institutions to fit Mnangagwa's family ambitions threaten the sacrifices made for our freedom and the rule of law. I urge all citizens, leaders, and institutions to defend our constitution, protect democratic checks and balances, and ensure the future of Zimbabwe remains in the hands of the people, not in the making of a dynasty. Doma developments are kuda panguva ine marachinza aiwa panguva ine these constitutional amendments are kunokonza ane munhu pasi and the kingdom iri kuuya and it is fast approaching. Iri kunzi the dynasty, and panguva ine it is not only the dynasty but it is going to reshape our own country. My institutions, they are going to be scraped off the power they had, military and all the remaining institutions, and the power is going to be centralized to one family. Ma developments are kuda panguva ino ipina comment section medu zafungura imo fundi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, cheta on the bell icon.